show you how to properly use a line of credit. It is so important. I have seen so many business owners and entrepreneurs get in trouble utilizing a line of credit. Now, that's not to say lines of credit are bad. I think every single business owner needs a line of credit for their business. It's to say that people don't utilize them properly. So let's go into some of the things you shouldn't do with a line of credit. If it is a long-term expense, all right, what I mean by that is, like, let's say you need a new piece of equipment that's over $10,000. You should be putting that on a line of credit. You shouldn't be consolidating a lot of credit card debt on a line of credit. Okay, these are things that there are better programs out there for. Lines of credit are really for, and you definitely shouldn't buy a building on a line of credit, right? So the thing is, a line of credit is supposed to be used for short-term uses. And when I say short-term uses, what I am speaking about is anything that you need on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. So let's break this down. Inventory. Inventory is something you need all the time, meaning you buy inventory, you sell inventory on a daily basis. Supplies. You use supplies on a daily basis. If you're adding to your staff, right, that's something that you can put or utilize a line of credit for, because it's something that if you're growing, you should be doing frequently. Next, marketing, right? So you're running ads every single day. So it makes sense to utilize a line of credit for that. And a line of credit is something that you should utilize and then pay off. You don't want to keep a large balance on a line of credit. You want a line of credit as a safety net. Okay? You want a line of credit to, expand or to grow, and then pay it off as soon as you start seeing that type of return. So as you're buying inventory and you're selling the inventory, you should take those funds, pay down the line of credit. Where people get in trouble is they leave large balances on their line of credit. Same exact thing with credit cards. Credit cards should be paid off at the end of every month, right? The way lines of credit operate and work for your business, the longer you have it on your line of credit, the more interest you're going to pay. So to save on that, utilize a line of credit for growth and then pay it off as soon as you can. All right, and it should only be used on short-term needs that you use daily, weekly, monthly. All right, if you have any questions or if I can help you with anything else, please reach out.